What's going on YouTube? It's the AZ392. We're about to take the Demon 170 out for its very first drive right now. Get everything ready. You got the GoPros on it. Got everything set up. It's gonna be a quick one, but guys, we're about to fire the Demon up, getting it, driving around for the first time. Ooh, guys, it sounds so good. Test drive today. I just want to get a feel for it before I take this thing out fully. It's sounding good though, guys. Your song's on. Your song is on. The bang bang bang. Guys, so I'm gonna put it in park right now. I'm gonna throw it into sport mode, get everything warmed up. SRT. So I'm gonna make sure all the temperature and stuff's all warmed up before I get going on it. And then I'm gonna get through here. SRT. Drag mode activated. Drag everything. I don't want that on. It's just keeping the heat on right now. Well, we're going, guys. Pulling out of the driveway, making sure I don't scrape nothing. So right away, I mean, I can feel how sensitive the pedal is. It's not even a joke. I mean, this thing is way too fast. And I said before, I've test drove a 800 horsepower jailbreak, similar to this. I mean, I wouldn't say very similar. Just as wine is everything. ear-piercing loud. And I have the windows open right now. Guys, so that's just the drive right now. I just wanted to get everything warmed up before I take it out later. But shit, that thing is really fucking loud. And it's fast. And I'm gonna let it warm up and stuff. But guys, this thing is actually insane. I can't wait to actually be able to rip it down the highway and stuff. Because I was just using the paddles for a little bit. I could feel how fast it is actually. Just at the pedal. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video and everything, and stay tuned because I'm about to take this thing out and go crazy with it like you've seen in past clips of me with the other car. I got my dog right next to me waiting for me to get out. But guys,
she's nervous.
Sophie, it's okay. Come here, Sophie. Guys, the Demon 170 is insane. I just drove it around for like a quick second just to get a feel for it before I take it out later. But 1,000 horsepower, and right now it's only a 900, so the full ethanol is in the, or the full horsepower isn't even at the wheels. And it's only got so many miles on it, so I want to be a little bit careful. But guys, you hear that whine, you hear how loud it is, you know that supercharger is screaming for its life. But I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe.